Bazali bami zitho, welcome to Mgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazali bami zitho is about uThina Zungu, Pastor Thina Zungu. Guys, if you don't know Thina Zungu, Thina Zungu a musician, gospel musician, pastor, also TV personality because he has a reality show that called Thina Zungu. Guys, I think I was one of the people who thought the reality show will be the end of Ikarega Thina Zungu because on the reality show we get to see that Thina Zungu is best friend with Dr. Ketlelezi or traditional healer. And guys, I do know that there are traditional healers who say mina ngiyalapha nje kuphela anguthinta umuthi like angithwalisa abantu, I don't have snakes, angenje lento zokuthi mhlambe abantu ababulala abantu bangeza kimi bazothola usizo, abantu abenza izinto ezwrong ngiyabasiza no mina ngilapha nje makuthiwa mhlambe uphethe ikhanda and akusikhanda lesilungu into zabantu, I just help abantu like uGogoskotheni when we first knew of her. If you remember guys, beka njani bungathi uyinyanga but ubunyanga bakhe bahamba ngapha kulapheni kuphela akayenza into zabompinda nana. The only thing bekayenza abantu they were against it, it was isidliso. But nesidliso guys, remember isidliso, it was never meant to harm anyone, but it is meant to build my families. Even though I always say I believe that isidliso is something that it was meant for amadoda anesithembu, because mawunesithembu vele lamakhosikazi kumele wadlisa usazwane. They are not sisters, they are not family, they are not friends. Kuzoba difficult, and remember bashare umyeni kuzoba nesikhwele then there. So I think isidliso it was meant for that, but yinto engicabangayo akusiyinto ebhalwe phansi. So this thing esidlisa manje angivumelani nayo, and I don't see the reason ukuthi why umuntu wesimame kumele adlise indoda yakhe so that indoda imlandele manje, or why indoda kumele idlise umfazi wayo. No, I think isidliso was meant to build the families, or abantu who are in imishado that is called arranged marriage. Mhlambe ekhaya mangishadise nomuntu, I think isidliso bomele sisebenze ezintweni ezinjalo because this person, you don't love him or you don't have her, but ama families when believes that mele nithandane nenikhulisa umuzi vele kanjalo mhlambe isidliso singasebenza. But ke guys, asikho lapho uDr Ketlelezi no Thina Zungu they are friends, which is a friendship yabo one person enga understand ukuthi hamba kanjani on the previous episode of Thina Zungu guys. And this thing is to show abantu labo bathi why not ungabi as a pastor, a Christian pastor, uzoba why mele ungavumelanga kuba umfundisi nomuntu oyinyanga or nomuntu oyinyanga futhi umnyanga bakhe asho ukuthi abona mina nje makumele nje ngithakathe ngiyathakatha. I'll tell you the reasons guys. On the previous episode of Thina Zungu, uDr Ketlelezi uforce uThina Zungu nalabo abanye ama-gospel singers and the other pastor ukuthi bangene esigodlweni. Umngani loyo. If you are my friend, you need to respect religion nami and ama beliefs wami. Nami respect as much as I do believe ukuthi uThina Zungu yami respect to Dr Ketlelezi, but I don't think the song respect to Thina Zungu, because if you know that mina ngumfundisi and they will force me on national TV ukuthi ngingene esigodlweni so that wena uzojabula and wena ubelieve ukuthi this thing yinto right. I don't know ukuthi as a friend umngani onjani, because mamngani I believe mamngani mele protect ne brand. Kumbula these people, they do have a brand to protect, and they do have ama fans or abantu ababukela kubo that they don't believe ebunyangeni. I understand. So mina uThina Zungu ngene esigodleni, I felt as if I don't know why bokumele angene. I don't know why Thina Zungu bomele ahlale phansi nomuntu okhuluma nama ancestors yena anga believe kuma ancestors. You get me? Lo muntu umfundisi uzoma esontweni aba convince kanjani abazalwane or afunde liphilizwe, because inkolelo yakhe ayihambelani neyalo muntu lo. It's not like ukuthi ukhonze makhonze emasontweni like afana nabo Zayoni or Apostle, because I do know these churches they don't have a problem nama sisters, but usonta ebazalwaneni guys, there they do not believe ukuthi ama sisters bayaphila. They don't believe ukuthi abantu abashonile kuyakhulunywa nabo. They do not go emathuneni. So wena mazoba umngane umuntu onjalo, understand ukuthi uzoba confuse kanjani abantu besonto ukuthi yilo izwi lelizwi lithi wali wena ungalandeli lelizwi wena onokulifunda. The other thing I wanted to talk about, uDr Ketlelezi uthe ukuthi Thina Zungu, the other pastor no Jumbo ukuthi ubamukisa somewhere bayo preach. You understand? Kanti ubamukisa guys on a club. Another thing engenza ukuthi ngibone ukuthi you know this friendship, I just feel as if uDr Ketlelezi uzoba convince ukuthi bayeke nale nkolelo yabo bangene ngapha enkolweni. It seems like inyanga the traditional healer understand ukuthi akayi-understand inkolelo yabo Tina Zungu and akayihloniphi ngoba how can as a traditional healer and as my friend you understand ukuthi ngumfundisi khona indawo ongamelanga ngizihambe then wena uyangithatha ungimuse eklabhini ngingazi without my consent. I don't know this place, and you know that I am not allowed to go these places, or I'm not comfortable going to those places. Cabanga ngaba abazalwane bambonile lapha, and I just feel as if like uThina Zungu uyamsaba uDr. Ketleles, or there are things that's beneficial because we are supposed to voice out things like this. I remember the friend ongazwani no Dr. Shulu, this thing is wrong, and we show up and bombonela put he is not comfortable. Even no Jambo bombon with I am not comfortable. But uThina Zungu there's a part ombonile ukuthi uyasukumanyana zami ukungazi. I don't know why, but now you should he's not happy, and we will see ukuthi uzomcomfanta na. Guys, please comment down below ukuthi nisavumelana with this friendship or not, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.